Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to cancel Finelo AI subscription. If you want to cancel Finelo AI subscription, log in your accounts here. As you can see here, when you log in with your email address, click continue, and then all you have to do, choose this option, go to the profile. From the profile, click on this option, manage your subscription. As you can see here, click this icon. When you click manage your subscription, look for cancel. So friends, look for cancel option and then click cancellation. If you have a Google Play or App Store, go to your App Store icon setting from here and then choose your subscription and then look for cancellation. So friends, look for subscription and then look for cancellation option. So this is how you can do, as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. If you have any you can submit a ticket from the support team. If you have any problem, write your email address, confirm your email, and write your all details here and then click submit. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.